My name is Lisa Meekum with CreativeFashionBlog.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a floor-length maxi skirt with a sexy little side slit. For this project, you'll need about 1.5 yards of fabric, sewing pins, 2-inch elastic, measuring tape, scissors, and a basic sewing machine. Start out by using your measuring tape to measure your waistline and then cut your elastic to that measurement. Pin the ends together and sew into place. Creating a wrap skirt is actually so much easier than creating a traditional maxi skirt. All you're going to do is fold your fabric in half, and then to create the wrap effect, just overlap your ends a little bit. The more your ends are going to be overlapping, the more conservative the drape of your skirt is going to be. So if you want it a little more revealing, overlap it less, etc. For today's tutorial, my overlap is going to be about 5 to 8 inches. Then pin it into place for sewing. Now you guys are almost done. You just have to put the elastic in. So what we're gonna do is eyeball the center back of your skirt and pin your elastic into place. Then stretch your elastic a little bit to find the opposite end. That's gonna be your center front, and put a pin in it. Do the same thing and stretch it side to side, marking it with sewing pins so that you've marked exact quarters of each side of your skirt. Then you're gonna do the same thing with your fabric. Place it and match it up with your sewing needles, and you'll have it perfectly gathered when you stretch it to sew. When you're sewing your skirt, be sure you pull your elastic tight so your fabric just sits nicely on top. That way you end with perfect gathers. Last and final step of this tutorial is to shorten and hem your skirt. Since I used an I2Y jersey knit, it's not going to fray, and I like the drape, so I think I might even leave the edges raw. To shorten it, all I'm going to do is fold my edges of the fabric flat, and then using a ruler, slice off the bottom.